Just made Dingle's year, mate.
Come on, big up.
Like Santa.
Fuck it.
Boss, isn't it?
Yeah, so hot, yeah. So hot.
Do you want to go down here then?
Nah, we'll go that way, bro.
What's it say now?
Jump in the fire, really. That's got to be the worst death though, isn't it? Getting burnt alive. Alright, everyone's spamming the MGs in the chat right now, let's go. Everyone spam that shit in the chat right now, cuz.
Hey, you should have done a real hit. They don't know Ed Man.
Should I?
Yeah.
I wanted to do a fucking reel with Chucky, innit?
We'll see you later.
I feel like that's got to be the next one.
Hello? He's out the traffic now.
Oi, fuck off! They're going ham right now. They're going fucking ham, boys. Alright, how long?
4 minutes.
Fucking hell.
Two, we'll move.
It's taking the fucking piss, innit? Bro, that fire is going mental, mate. It's so hot, mate, innit? Kiddie fiddler, get out there, mate. We're going to the main town, bro. This is where I think it's going to be a lot more busy, you get me? You want a photo, yeah?
How are we, brother? You good?
Yes, brother.
How are we?
Come on, brother.
Get a picture then.
Go on, brother. Go on. Mate, this is like your 10th one.
I know.
Big up the Scouse trim, innit?
Hey, where's
Oh,
Hey, where's Mazza? Where's Mazza?
I think he's with his family, mate.
Big up, dingle.
Say dingle on top.
Big up the fucking Scouse trim, fella. Yeah, bro. Love, bro. Osh. Who's got? Yeah, I'm good, brother. I'm good. Who's saying? Who's taking it?
Yeah, me